And so as we kind of cap the conversation, again, talk about the Reshoring Initiative and what you offer to organizations. And we're also going to talk about a survey that you have coming up soon on the closure date coming to that. What's the support that you can provide to those looking to do more reshoring?
I think first thing we provide is hope. So when I started this, most people said it wasn't feasible. Harry, don't bother. It's not going to work, kind of thing. And now anybody who reads anything about it, looks at our data, does whatever, say, oh, wow, it's working for thousands of companies. Maybe it'll work for us. It's worth 10 hours of analysis, kind of thing. Right? And then we have the TCO to help them do the analysis to see for which components it makes sense to bring the work back. We provide the data. We have a database of 8,000 companies that have done reshoring and FDI. So we sell that to big financial firms that look for opportunities where they can get ahead,
Yep.
and to companies that want to say who are the new customers we should be selling to at those new factories.
Yeah.
And to universities and other groups for whom this is all kinds of groups. And so if your company might be better off with that kind of information, we're the only source of that data. We have a reshoring award, the National Metalworking Reshoring Award. So if you've reshored something and it's got a lot of metal in it, apply. We're in the midst of the 2026 National Reshoring Survey, and it's going to close on July 24, and we need a few more responses. And the survey works with both. It separates out what I call OEMs, like big companies, and supply chain companies, contract manufacturers. And so you can see here the URL for that survey. And one of the things we do with the results, we ask a lot of questions about what would cause you to bring the work back or what has caused you to do so. And we do our best to get that information into the White House to influence their decision. So anybody out there who feels neglected and thinks that their voice hasn't been heard, well, here's a chance for your aggregate voice to be heard. Get the survey, fill it out, and your voice will then be heard.
Excellent. All right, Harry. Well, I'm really grateful for the time and the enriching conversation. And as always, I learn a lot and always am appreciative of people that take on an initiative that maybe other people were telling them that's not going to work. But you've kind of proven that out in what you've shared with us today. So very grateful for that.
Appreciate it. It's the right thing to do, and it's nice to have your friends appreciate it.
How best can folks keep in touch?
Yeah, so I'm Harry Moser, so harry.moser@reshorenow.org.
Excellent.
That